Getting ready to put on a set of Vance Hines Super Radius exhaust, and I wanted to make a video and compare the sound to what it was like with the stock pipes without baffles. And we've seen videos like this before where somebody just walks up and turns the bike on and then flashes back and forth and stuff. I wanted to be a little more specific, so I'm going to use a sound meter, and there's a highway right up there, so we're going to have background noise, and right now it's about 70, we'll just call it 7, it's bouncing back and forth, about 70. We'll just say the background noise is about 70 decibels. So we'll go ahead and get the bike started and see how it goes. Okay, again, this is with stock pipes without baffles, and about 102 decibels, and that's at idle. And we'll take it up to about 2,500 RPM. About 112 decibels and about 2,500 RPM. Okay. If you couldn't hear me, that was 2,500 RPM. And we'll go down here and do it again. Just to give some distance. And of course I'm in the storage area, so you get some reverberation off of that. So we're at taking it up to 2,500. It's about 99, 96, and I'm about 50 feet away. Okay, so we got the new Vance Hines Super Radius pipes on, and I am just loving the way that they look. Man, those are gorgeous. Those are just beautiful. Let's see how they sound. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's see what they do for them on the meter. So now we have background noise at about 70. Now it's fluctuating. Let's just call it 70 decibels and see how it is when on idle. Back down here. It's 112 before. And we're about 86 at idle. And 94 at 2,500 RPM. So not a huge increase in volume, but man, the change in the sound and the way that they look, I just I am absolutely happy with these pipes.